Hi, I'm Elliott Hasuik, Principal of Digital Media at Part and Sum, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite tools called Zemanta. Zemanta is a native DSP owned by Outbrain, and you can use it to access native inventory across most of the major publishers like CNN and New York Times. You can run native campaigns, display, or video. So we tend to prefer to run native because users are more engaged with native creative because the native ads look and feel more similar to the content on the publisher sites, and users tend to engage more when they see these native placements in the recommendation widgets below content that they've just consumed. So Zemanta is very powerful compared to other display networks because you drive relatively efficient CTR and CPC and CPM. And one of our favorite tools is the inventory planner, where you can see the number of auctions available, the average CPM, the average CPC, and CTR. So you can refine and plan your campaign around where you want to run your media. So if it's the US, you can choose device type. You can choose if you just want native, which we tend to run. And then you can see the number of auctions available and then the estimated CPCs. You can also run whitelists. So contrary to running native campaigns on Outbrain, you can whitelist only specific publishers that you want to target, and you're really able to reach most of the major publishers. So you don't have to worry about showing up on problematic sites, and you're only going to show up in brand safe environments. The other reason we really like Zemanta is that you can pull in metrics from Google Analytics and from Adobe Analytics. So you can optimize for time on site, and you can track cost per new visit, bounce rates, and so it can be really helpful to drive valuable results for publishers. So you can see with our whitelist, we're showing up on Entrepreneur and MSN and Hill, and you can see each media source that shows how we access that specific inventory. Then you can add bid modifiers to control delivery, and you can potentially blacklist media sources or publishers depending on performance. But as you can see, we're driving pretty strong CTR and CPC and CPM, and we're optimizing for non-bounce visits, which is someone who clicked through an ad, landed on the page, and then visited at least another page. And Zemanta has this helpful tool where it's just a happy face if you're hitting your target KPIs, because you can have a priority campaign goal like a cost per non-bounce visit, but you can also optimize for specific target CPCs and cost per visit and time on site. So if you're planning to run native campaigns to support your paid social and paid search and display, Zemanta is one of the best ways we found to access native inventory at scale.